how to use the PC text chat and emotes. In a world filled with monsters, other humans can be your greatest allies or your worst enemies. Communication is the key to forming allies and surviving together. Here is how to master the PC text chat and the emote system to interact with other survivors. On PC, the default key to open a chat box is Enter. This typically sends a local message to players nearby. If you want to shout out to the entire server, press Y for global chat. This is perfect for calling for help or advertising trades. Just remember, being loud in global can sometimes attract the wrong kind of attention from bandits, so use it sparingly. Sometimes words aren't enough, or you don't have time to type. Hold the V or Tab key to bring the emote wheel. From here you can quickly signal to other players, use the wave to show you're friendly, and the point to show a teammate where the loot is. Make friends, not enemies. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on player interaction and social survival.